perfectly clean stone. There we go. Thanks guys, appreciate it. Right, so the sprinklers have just come on, but I'm just here out checking the trial bunker here at Bay Hill, and you'll see behind me the results have been fantastic. Sand is pearly white, and we'll now leave it up to the elements to trial it properly. And yeah, we're looking forward to some really positive results. Very steep face there that you'll see behind my left side of my cap now, my right actual. But yeah, the team really did a wonderful job here, and I'd just like to thank Chris and the team for allowing us the privilege and the opportunity. We hope this bunker serves you well, and yeah, we look forward to bringing Bunker Barrier to the rest of the golf course.